Looking for the best way to explore Amsterdam? Forget the stress of public transport or endless walking. The hop-on hop-off boat tour is your ultimate ticket to discovering the city at your own pace. Glide through Amsterdam's stunning canals, step off at famous stops, and dive into the city's must-see attractions whenever you want. With 24 or 48-hour tickets, you'll have unlimited access to this beautiful waterway network. From breathtaking bridges and charming 17th century houses to iconic museums and historic churches, every corner of Amsterdam comes alive when seen from the water. And thanks to the boat's panoramic windows, you won't miss a single view. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi on board and enjoy fascinating stories from a multilingual audio guide, making your journey both fun and insightful. Unlike standard Amsterdam cruises, this tour covers an extended route, giving you a complete overview of the city's diverse neighborhoods. It's not just a boat ride, it's the most efficient and enjoyable way to explore Amsterdam. So why wait? For a unique mix of sightseeing and adventure, book your Amsterdam hop-on hop-off boat tour today with Activity Crest. Your unforgettable journey through the heart of Amsterdam is just a click away. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel experiences.